Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick review on Sassina hair extensions. So, oh my god.
Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick review on Sassina hair extensions. This is the brand I'm going to review today. So I have both halo and also clip-in hair extensions. So I've got both here, and these were actually sent to me for review, and my review will be 100% honest. And a small disclaimer, you guys, I'm not getting paid for any of these reviews. It's just that they sent it to me, and my review will be 100% honest. That's it. So let's jump straight into the video. So you can open up the box, and the product comes in like this. So it comes with a tail comb, which is very handy, and also a clip that is also very handy, and the halo fishing wire. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called the fishing wire. Yeah, but this is the wire. This is very important. You need this, and it comes in a very pretty bag like this, a very pretty satin bag, which is so luxurious, so soft. It's written Sassina hair extension, and we can open it. This is the hair. By the way guys, these hair extensions are 100% Remy human hair extensions. Okay, these are 100% human hair. So yes, so that means that it can be curled, it can be straightened, it can be washed, it can be blow dried, like you do with your normal hair. You can do everything. Okay, so let's first match it to my hair, and yes, it matches perfectly. I like how it looks. So I'm not sure how many grams this is. I'll have to check. Just a moment. Okay guys, so this is the 20-inch of black, and it's 120 grams. Let me just cut it and I'll be back. So this is how it looks. By the way guys, the comb and the clip that they have provided are very high quality. I really like them. It's very sturdy. Okay, so this is a lot of hair, by the way guys. Like, it is 120 gram, so definitely you will get a lot of hair, and I think this will be more than enough for medium, thin to medium hair like me. I have very thin hair, so this is perfect for me. So actually my fishing wire came broken. As you can see, it's broken, but it's okay. They have already given me an extra one. Or what I'm thinking is, I'll just put a knot here and see what I can do maybe later. But for now, I'll just put a knot here like this. So I have put a knot here like this, and I'm going to cut it a bit. I don't know if it's going to work, or I'll have to replace the whole wire. I'm not sure, but for now, let's just see if this is going to work. So anyway, before I apply this, I also want to show you guys the weft, I mean the clip-in hair extension. So it's the same. It comes with the clip, it comes with the comb, the clip, and the beautiful hair. I love the packaging, by the way guys. I just love the packaging, and they have also provided some extra clips just in case, you know, if it breaks or if something happens, then it's there. So let's open it So this is the, I think this is 140 gram. This is 140 gram clipping hair extension, same of black color, but this is 22 inch. The halo hair extension is 20 inch, but this one is 22 inch. I actually wanted the 20 inch, not the 22 inch, because 22 inch is going to be too long for me because I have thin hair. I don't know if it's going to blend well, but they did not have 20 inch enough black, so I had no other way but to choose this one. But it is long, but we'll see if I can work it out. You can see how long it is. So I hope you guys know what are clipping extensions. These are the ones. It has the clips that go behind your back. I prefer the halo extensions more because it's much easier to apply, and it's much easier to take off. It's much easier to maintain. Halo extensions, clip-in are like, it takes time, to put in. Okay, so it has 4 of the 2 clip-in hair extensions, 2 of the 3 clip-in hair extensions, and 1 4-in clip hair extension. So the difference is, as you can see, the clip-in comes with so many weft, and the halo comes with one single volumizing weft. So this is one single weft with a lot of hair, so it takes less time. Just have to put it here and that's it, you're good to go. But the other one, you have to spend more time fixing it and blending it with your natural hair. So that's why I prefer the halo hair more than the clip-in hair. By the way guys, be very gentle with your hair, like when you comb and everything, be very gentle. So I'm actually thinking whether to put it separately or should I mix it, because if I mix it I'll have much more volume. I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to put both and show it to you guys because that's going to take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see if I can mix both of it to get more volume. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the 4 clip-in hair extension and I'm going to clip it onto the halo hair. And now I'm going to open the clips. So here what I have done is, I have just hooked it onto the back of my door so that it's much easier to shoot. I'm going to clip it onto the halo hair. So as you can see, it's giving me an extra volume to the hair. I'm also going to clip in the 3 clip-ins just here. So currently this is how it looks. As you can see, the ends are really good. It's actually thick. So it looks a bit long and the volume is like, oh my god, can you see the thickness? It's really thick. I don't know if my hair will be able to hold this, but it's just a try. I want to see if I can mix halo and clip-ins to give some extra volume to my hair. So let's try it out. So here is the hair extensions, you guys. It's pretty heavy now because of all the clip-ins. So before putting in, what you need to do is just take your hair, part your hair like this. So part your hair like this. So this is where the halo will go. You see? That's where it's going to go. So by the way guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like just take it like this. Can you see the back? Just take the hair from the crown area and then just clip it aside. And that's where this clip comes in handy. It's really handy, you guys. Like, it stays there, you know, it's very secure. I really love it. So now what we need to do is we need to adjust the fishing wire according to the size of your head. So for that purpose, we are going to place it right here. So it's too big for my head. So what you need to do is, as you can see, just pull this fishing wire to adjust. So yes, maybe that's too small. Let's see. Okay, can just, let's see, just place it right there. And yes, it is small, I mean it is big, so I'm going to pull it more. And now let's see, I need to pull it a little bit more. Okay, so what you need to do is just place it just like this. So that should be correct. That is correct, yes. So now you have to cut the extra fishing wire, but don't cut it now. You have to make a knot. So I will be doing that later, but you need to cut it. But right now, let me just keep it there so that, okay, I'll just cut a little bit. I'll keep a bit. Maybe I'll cut it. Yes, that much. Let it be there. I will be adjusting it later. So now what you need to do is, as you can see, it sits here. It will be sitting here. So that should be okay. And just take out the clip. And now let's start blending the hair. So you have to blend the hair like very perfectly. If you do it perfectly, then your hair, the fishing wire will not be seen. Just use the tail comb to just you know, just take all your natural hair, just, or you use your fingers, just use your nails. If you have long nails, then you can just use it. You can see that now the fishing wire cannot be seen at all. Just ignore this fishing wire. It's because I have not cut it yet, but after I cut it, I'm sure it will be fine. So I wanted to show you guys how long it looks. Just that's how long it looks. Oh my god, like you can see it's coming till here, you see, and the ends look quite nice. I really like it. If you don't want this long hair, then go for 20-inch, guys. That would be perfect. Or even 18-inch or 16-inch might be better. Like, you know, that would be even better. But and also just go for the halo hair extensions. I think that would be better according to me. If you have thin hair, then go for halo hair, but if you have thick hair, then you can go for clip-in hair extensions. If you want length, then I think these are really good, but if you just want volume, then just go for 18-inch to 20-inch. That would be perfect. Don't go for 20-inch. It's very, very long. I think I might cut it. I might cut it to the halo hair length. And okay, so I also want to mention one thing, guys. If you think that your natural hair is not blending with the hair extensions, then go ahead and curl them or straighten them. Okay, I prefer curling them. If you curl them, then it will blend with your hair much better. So if you want me to show you guys how to curl your natural hair and the hair extensions together, like how to blend them more, then leave a comment in the comment section below. I will make a video for you guys. But anyway guys, it was really fun doing this video, and thank you so much Sassina Hair for sending this beautiful hair extensions. I actually like them. It's very thick, very thick. I really like it, especially when you're wearing halo and clip-in together, and it's like super thick, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? It's super thick. Anyway, yes, so I will be leaving all the links and discount codes in the description box below. And also, if you have any doubts, or if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. I'll be answering it for you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you.